Parmesan, 2019. Poured a link, I'm stuck in a dream. Started here this back in 2014.
Alright guys, this is how you do reflections. All you guys been asking me how to do this. It's super easy and simple. So you just want to go to Format, Arrange, and Lock Alpha. The reason why you want to do this is because when you go to Paint, you can just draw inside the logo. It's super easy and simple. You do a lot of things with it, and it's just easy in general. So then you want to go Select, Elliptical Select. You want to have it pretty rounded, not really like. Actually, you want it pretty flat, not really rounded. Then you want to go to light brush. You want to have like a pretty dark color, and you want these settings with the light brush. It's the best by far. Anything else is not as best as this. So then afterwards, you want to draw like kind of right on top of it, but not really. That's what happens when you draw right on top of it. You don't really want that. You want to draw a little bit on the outside, but for the soft brush still reaches it. So you get something like this. And then you want to grab the rectangular select, and you want to select the down part. For text, you don't really have to do this, but you just get the light brush, and you want to draw over it again, like how I did. And you want to do it again, but this time you do the high part. You want to make sure you get it right, like you fit it right, for it looks pretty good, and it won't be like a little white spot like that. So I'm going to have to go back and do it again. Zoom up as much as you want. It will make it easier in the long run. And you want to have a lighter color. You want to have it pretty light, but just so you can see it enough. And I'm going to do the other one, and I'll meet you guys after I'm done with that one. Alright, as you can see, I finished the other one, and it looks pretty good. But now you want to just go to Adjust Colors. Not like Style. I didn't mean to go Style. But you just want to go to Adjust Colors, and you want to put a little bit of a tint. You might have to brightness it or darken it depending how much you want to see the reflection. But you want to do a tint just for have that little bit of color. You need a temperature one, and that's pretty much it.